Nope.
Big right?
Welcome to another edition of Dale's Divine Barbecue. Today we've got Project Hamburger. We're going to do Whiskey River barbecue burgers and homemade french fries. We're going to start with the Whiskey River sauce. With the sauce, start with a base of 2 cups of ketchup. And a 1/3 cup of bourbon. 1/3 cup of cider vinegar. 1/4 cup of finely chopped white onion and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Next, we're going to throw in a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire or Worcestershire, however you would like to pronounce it. That's up to you. Third cup of packed brown sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Don't forget any of the scraps. Take it to the boil. Here, we're gonna let it simmer for a minute, and then we're gonna start to stir it in together so everything combines. After we get it nice and liquefied, we're gonna take it over to the blender. Well, this is optional. Blend it. Put it back on the heat. Let that simmer for a minute until it bubbles. And then the fun part. Getting the sauce from the pot to the bottle. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but it was effective. Next, for the French fries, you're gonna need 3, or in this case, 4 russet potatoes. Gonna chill them in water for 15 minutes. Then you're gonna peel the potatoes. Then you're gonna chill them again for 30 minutes. Once you've done that, you're gonna take the potatoes out of the water, and then we're gonna start making French fries. So you're gonna cut them into rounds. And once you get them cut into rounds, then we're gonna slice them, and that's when they actually become and make the form of a French fry. You can cut the fries however you want to cut them, whatever design you think is the best way to do it, whatever shape, however hard you want to make it, but I like to make them this way. And my wife likes to make them a different way. Any way you want to make the fries, they're still going to come out the same. Again, that's entirely up to you how you want to make the French fries. I chose the easy way. Then you're going to want to heat your oil to 350. While you're doing that, you can let your fries dry. You want to make sure your fries are dry. Now, for the cooking oil, we used vegetable oil. But you can substitute that with peanut oil or canola, or if you have another option that works for cooking, you can certainly use that. And you want to salt the fries once they get golden brown, and let them dry. Let the oil soak off.
They look greasy.
Yeah, they're gonna go on the napkin there. And then they're ready to put in your mouth.
Nice and crispy.
Now for the burger. We use an 80-20 blend from the butcher, but you can go to the grocery store and find an 80-20 blend. I'm gonna throw a scoop of minced garlic. I'm gonna throw a little bit of mustard powder in there, just a little bit of a dash. Really, you gotta use paprika on this thing. Splash that in there. A little bit of chili powder. Again, splash it in there. Gotta have the cayenne, it's a staple. And a little bit of onion powder. Grind that together, and you should be able to make 4 or 5 good-sized hamburger patties out of a 2-pound pack. Next, you're gonna throw them on the grill after you glaze the grill with some cooking oil so that it doesn't stick. Once you've flipped the burgers and they're ready to go, throw your cheese on if you want. Cut up your tomatoes. Throw on some mayo if you want mayo. I throw mayo on mine. Don't let the dog get any of the burger. And the burgers are done. Should be pretty juicy. Now we fix up the burgers. We got lettuce, we got some pickle, we got some French's fried onion, and some of our barbecue sauce. Voila!
Oh, sorry.
How's the fries?
They're delicious.
Yeah, how about the burger? Here we go. Moment of truth.
Divine.
Cheers.
Juicy.
Nailed it.
Just let the doctor order.
Another happy customer at Dale's Divine Barbecue.